Hello dear children, this is Satish Goel, lecturer in physics. Today in this video we shall discuss lesson 4 carbon and its compounds from 10th chemistry. In this video we shall discuss all 1 mark questions, that is fill in the blanks and multiple choice questions. This is the part 4 of the video. The other parts, that is part 1, part 2, part 3 has already been discussed, and the next part of this video is also there. The link of all these parts is given in the playlist of my YouTube channel. Let's continue. 31st question. Give the IUPAC name of CH3COOH. Formic acid, acetic acid, propanoic acid, none of the above. The correct answer is acetic acid. 32nd question. Give the name and the structural formula of one homologue of the HCOOH. Butanoic acid C4H9COOH, ethanoic acid CH3COOH, propanoic acid C2H5COOH. Students, all the options of this question are correct. Butanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid. C4H9COOH, CH3COOH, C2H5COOH. Okay. Next question, 33rd question. Write the formula of pentanoic acid. Pentanoic. Pent means having carbon 5, that is 5 carbons. Ane means only single bond. Oic acid means carboxylic group, that is C4H9COOH, CH3COOH, C2H5COOH, C5H11COOH. The correct answer is fourth option, that is C5H11COOH. Next question, 34th question. Give the common name and the IUPAC name of C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol, its common name. Ethanol, its IUPAC name. Methyl alcohol, methanol. Pentyl alcohol, pentanol. Butyl alcohol, butanol. Correct answer is ethyl alcohol, ethanol. 35th question. Give the IUPAC name of C3H7OH. Students, I would like to tell you that the basics of these questions or similar questions has already been discussed in the previous parts of this video series. If you have not seen those parts, then you can go to the playlist of my YouTube channel, as the fundamentals have already been discussed. Ethanol, methanol, propanol, butanol. The correct answer is C3. So prop, OH, ol, that is propanol. Next question, 36th question. In terms of number and kinds of atoms as per molecule, what is the difference between the two consecutive homologues? Students, the answer of this question has already been discussed in the previous parts of this video. Try to think the answer. Yes, think about the answer. The answer is fourth option. Differ by one carbon atom and two hydrogen atoms in their molecular formula, that is CH2. One carbon atom, two hydrogen atom. Okay. Next question, 37th question. In terms of molecular mass, what is the difference between the two consecutive homologues? 6U, 8U, 10U, 14U. The correct answer is 14U. How it is 14U? Because the average molecular mass of carbon is 12 and that of hydrogen is 1. For one carbon and two hydrogen, it becomes 12 plus 1 plus 1. It becomes 14. So the correct answer is fourth option, that is 14U. Next question, 38th question. The functional group present in the ethanol is. The functional group present in the ethanol is aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, carboxylic acid. The correct answer is alcohol. Next question, 39th question. Name the functional group present in the CH3CH2COOH. COOH. Aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, carboxylic acid. From COOH, you can easily observe that it's a carboxylic acid group. 40th question. Name the functional group present in the CH3COOH. CH3, CH3, CO. Aldehyde group, ketone, alcohol, carboxylic acid. It's ketone group. That is ketone group. Students, in this video we have discussed question number 31st to 40th question. The next part of this video is also there. The link of the next part and the other parts of this video is given at the end of this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like and share this video. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep watching, keep learning, keep cheering. Thank you. Have a nice day.